Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the physical connection and default input device in Windows. Open Settings and go to System, then Sound. Confirm your microphone is listed under Input and set as default device. Next, open Microphone Privacy and make sure apps are allowed to use the microphone. Then open Device Properties and Additional Device Properties. In Advanced tab, verify the sample rate is 44,100 Hz and the bit depth is 16-bit. Next, focus on drivers and physical ports to eliminate common issues. Open Device Manager and expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your microphone and choose Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. If problems persist, use Uninstall Device and reboot so Windows reinstalls drivers. Try a different physical connection like a USB 3.0 port or a 3.5 jack on the front panel. If a recent driver caused the fault, select Roll Back Driver to restore the previous version. Finally, adjust recording settings and run built-in diagnostics to confirm success. In Device Properties, set the input volume to 100 and boost if available. In Additional Device Properties, disable Exclusive Mode for applications to prevent conflicts. Run Settings, Troubleshoot, then Additional Troubleshooters, and choose Recording Audio to let Windows attempt repairs. After applying fixes, restart your PC to ensure changes take effect. Open Voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.